how to build a dropshipping store on mobile, Shopify Mobile App Tutorial 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you are going to go ahead and basically create a dropshipping store on Shopify in the easiest and most simplest way possible. Now, the way to do this for yourself is to go ahead and create a Shopify store on your browser, okay, on your Safari browser. So I'm going to go up to my Safari, and here you can see my Safari, and I'm already working on a current Shopify store. It's up and running, and pretty standard stuff, but we are going to start from scratch. I'm going to show you from scratch on how you're going to do this for yourself. So I'm going to log out with my current account, and I'm going to create a new account just for you guys. So to create a new account, you're going to come to shopify.com and click on Start Free Trial. Now, once you click on Start Free Trial, we're going to start signing up. So I'm going to click on Sign Up with Email. And once you click on Sign Up with Email, you're going to go to your email. And once you go to your email, you're going to write your email in. And once you write your email in, what's going to happen from there is you're going to be taken to the actual setup section. So you're going to add your email, you're going to add your password. Once you do that, click on Create Shopify Account. And once we do all of that for ourselves, what that's going to do is it's going to load things. And now they're going to ask us a few questions, okay? They're going to ask us things like, what are you doing with your page? How are you going to manage it? What your online store is about, etc. So you're going to go through all those things, okay? You're going to go through all those things and you're going to tell them all the information that they need, because it's relevant stuff. So it asks you to get the app if you want to go ahead with it. Now it says, let's get started. Which one of these best describes you? I'm going to go with I'm just starting and click on next. Then it says, where would you like to sell? Obviously on an online store. Do that, click on next. What do you plan to sell first? We're going to go with dropshipping products on this one because that is exactly what we aim to sell. Now, once you do that, here it's going to give you a whole setup guide, okay? Walking you through the whole integrity of the store, telling you of how the store works and everything. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and set some stuff up in the store, okay? Now, what do I mean by set some stuff up, okay? So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be setting up the settings of our store. So I'm going to go to my store settings from here. And here you have store details. So you're going to set up your store name, keep a good store name, add in your store phone number, store email. You have your business addresses, your currencies, then you have order IDs like suffix, prefix, and all. So just add the consistent things and, you're going to be good to go. Then moving on, you have things like plan, billing, payments, checkout, gift cards, and stuff. You also have domains, which is a very important part because if you want a successful dropshipping business, trust me, you can't do it without domains. But anyhow, moving on from all of this, how do you start your dropshipping journey? Now, to start things off, what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and click on Add Apps. Now, once you click on Add Apps, we are going to go ahead and connect a dropshipping provider. So in the very top, you're going to see CJ Dropshipping. So in CJ Dropshipping, you're going to click on Install. And once you click on Install for CJ Dropshipping, what's going to happen from there is that obviously it's going to start installing all the necessary things that you're going to need for CJ Dropshipping. Now, in the installation section, what it's going to do is it's going to redirect you to the actual store section where it's going to tell you that CJ Dropshipping is being installed. But in the case it doesn't do that, you can obviously search it up, open it up in a new tab and search CJ Dropshipping up in a new App Store section. And over here, you're obviously going to be making sure that everything goes with the flow. So here we can see CJ Dropshipping. You can also get Deezer's, Zopi Dropshipping, and all these other places where you can use other providers to dropship for you. But I like CJ Dropshipping more. I feel like it works better. I feel like the work ethic of CJ Dropshipping goes much better with what I'm trying to do. Once we do that, it says this app needs permission. So, you're going to give it permission and click on Install. Now, once you click on Install, it's going to be installed into your dropshipping section. It's going to be installed into your Shopify store. And now it's going to take you to CJ Dropshipping, where it's going to ask you to create an account and authorize things. So if you don't have a CJ account, you're going to register for it. And trust me, the registration process is a piece of cake. Now, you're going to do the same thing we did previously. You're going to add in your account. Once you add in your account, you're going to add in, your email password. Once you do that, what happens from there is you're going to add in a password. Once you're going to add in your password like this, what we're going to do from there is just agree to their terms and click on next. Once you do that, it's going to ask you to, keep an email, a name and stuff. You're going to add all these things, then it's going to ask you a phone number. So make sure to go ahead and add that. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the necessary digits and click on confirm. Now, once you have done this for yourself, you're going to go ahead and confirm things. If they give you issues, you're just going to want to go ahead and, add the necessary things. There we go. And now we're going to just confirm it real quick, and it's going to bring me here. So it's going to give us a user survey where it says, you can skip this or you can actually go through the user survey. I mostly skip this. And once you skip this, it says that your authorization is successful, and now CJ will help you make your dropshipping business much easier. So now, as you can see, my Shopify store is authorized with my CJ dropshipping store. Now, once we've authorized things, how are we supposed to actually go ahead and, add products to my Shopify store? So let me tell you. I'm going to go through this, click on submit, and now it's going to take me to my actual dropshipping section. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click on list CJ products to your store. And once we click on that, it's going to take me to the actual CJ store. It might take you to the CJ blog, which you can skip and just go to your CJ dropshipping main store. So here's your CJ dropshipping main store, where obviously your account has been logged in and, all the necessary things are done. You can, add different things, authorize it if you want to. But obviously, in my case, everything is done. So I'm just going to go to the main store section, and I'm going to go to this place. Now over here, what's going to happen is that you're going to see all the products that you can actually drop ship for yourself, okay? And the drop shipping process is so simple. Like, you can see all these products, just click on any one of them. And once you click on any one of them from there, what's going to happen is that, everything is going to be good to go. Just click on the products, and there it's going to tell you to list the products in the blockchain listing, and you should be good to go. So, that's the general idea of how you are going to start drop shipping on to your Shopify through your mobile phone. And that's the general idea of it. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.